In a pot, add water, salt and brinjal. Let them cook for 5 minutes. In another pot, add half cup of peanut, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 2 numbers of chili. Add sesame seeds and poppy seeds to each 2 spoons. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut powder. Fry them well. Let it be cool for some time. Grind to a fine paste. In another pan, add oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 numbers of red chilli. Add curry leaves. And then add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 cup of chopped onion. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add each 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, red chilli powder and cumin powder. In this stage, I'll be adding lemon-sized turmeric juice. Let them cook for some time. Now I'll be adding groundnut paste. Add some more water. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Add fried brinjal.